One of the newest above-ground pool choices is the Blue Wave Belize above-ground swimming pool. It is a 52-inch by 24-foot swimming pool package that comes with everything you need to get into water sports, pool parties, and more. The pool comes with everything you need to jump on your summer fun. It includes the pump and the sand filter system, a liner, an A-frame entry ladder, a wide-mouth skimmer, detailed instructions, the steel outer walls, as well as the metal rails and supports. All you have to do is add the water and the fun. The steel walls feature multi-layers of protection so that it can resist rusting and corrosion over many years of active use. However, even though it is a rolled steel wall around the outer diameter of your pool, it is kept reasonably lightweight to make it easy for anyone to install. The walls are not the only thing that resists damage over the years, though the metal screws are zinc-coated. The outer frame has been dipped into minerals which protect them, and even the liner is made with double-welded seams. The pump is 1 horsepower to ensure that your pool is always going to be kept reasonably clean. This should be eliminating some of the work you have to deal with. To summarize, if you're looking for a solid swimming pool, then the Blue Wave Belize seems like an all-around great choice. Most user complaints are a matter of personal opinion and minor issues, and a majority of pool owners are happy with their purchase.